Hey y'all, so I am coming to you guys back with another unboxing. Y'all So today I am going to be doing a deep clean of my kitchen. I have started to remove like all the stuff away from the cabinets and countertops and all that good stuff. So I am going to be doing an unboxing to show you guys what I got. Let me sit you guys down to show you what I got. So basically what I'm going to be unboxing is an electric spin brush. It is from a company called TANBABY. They are a new and upcoming company. So they reached out to me to try this electric spin scrubber. It gives you high quality life. That's what the box says. So it looks like this, as you all can see. I love the packaging. Looks like a little gift box. Electric spin scrubber. Okay, so it's an 8-in-1 cleaning brush. So it has all these different brushes. One big flat brush, small flat brush, pointed brush, dome brush, sponge brush, wool-like brush, scorching brush, big cloth brush. So basically I'm going to be scrubbing like my countertops. I'll be scrubbing behind my stove. I'll be scrubbing my kitchen sink. And also I will be scrubbing my cabinets. What I realized is that cooking with like olive oil and stuff, you know, like the grease and stuff starts to splash everywhere. And I'll also be doing the same thing on my backsplash as well, because I've been noticing that it looks a little greasy. So let's get to this unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and put it together and show you guys what I got. And also, yeah, I can also use this on my couches, y'all. So you open it up, it's the user manual. And then it looks like this pretty much when you open it up. Nice presentation. All the brushes look pretty good. So here's a brush. So different style brushes for different types of areas. I think I'm gonna really like this little green one right there. That one is going to be perfect for me, like getting on my floors, because you know, you cleaning your floors, you need like something a little harder to get it done. So charger plug, this is like the charger to charge it. And then this is the actual brush. So it looks like that and like this. And fits in there nice and neat. Love that. Mommy. Yes. And then what's cool about this is that this actually can work underwater. So that's pretty cool. So if you're cleaning like your bathtub and that sort of stuff, you will be able to use this and not worrying about the battery dying because it got wet. Or it not working anymore because they got wet. So you just screw that on. You'll put the brush right here. So basically when you take this off to charge it, let me show you guys that before I get through with this part. You would just take this and put it in this like that, and then you will connect the charger like so, like this. And then you'll use your power cord to plug it up in the wall, and it will start charging. So I'm not going to charge it first before I start. I'm just going to go ahead and see if it has any power to it right now before I even start. But this is like the power button right here. I don't know if you guys can see like these little numbers and stuff right here, but this is actually the power button where you will turn it on at. I'm just going to unscrew it. Put this one back on. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Like, you can just set this up just by looking at it. So it's very easy to set up. Didn't take me no time at all. So that's pretty much everything that was in the box. Something that's down here. And there's another type of brush right here. This is for you. This is like the stick-on for these brushes right here. Let me just open this up. So these didn't actually come with a piece like this. So you would need to take one of these to stick on like this. And there you have it. So it's like a stick on, which is pretty cool. So you can take those and take it on and take it off. Pretty cool. And the same for these two as well. Pretty cool, huh? So like I said, since I'm going to be doing my countertops, I want like a harder scrub. So I'm going to be going with this head. So I will be using a big flat brush first. These right here, I will probably use like in my bathtub or so. I may just use this one in my bathtub as well. But for my countertops, I'm going to go ahead and use this for now. Hopefully it doesn't need charging. And y'all, did y'all see how easy that setup was? That was so easy. Easy peasy. So pretty much you can use this brush in your house, in your car, on your couches, on your floors. Anywhere in the house that requires a brush. So I'm going to really take advantage of this. I'm going to actually use it on my walls as well. Because Baby Z, he put like some little, what is it, like some little pencil. And then you have the option to rotate your brush.
I know.
Which gives you more flexibility when you are cleaning. Pretty cool. Okay, y'all, so the battery has been charged. And let's get this show on the road. So I'm just going to be using some dish liquid to scrub it with. I'm just going to put some on my countertop with a little water. Not going to make it like too watery. So it has a max, medium, and low. Where this is the meall, and then this is the max. So the max is like, it's moving. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. I am on the side of my house about to do another job with this brush right here. So as you all can see, you can see like all that little what do they call it? It's almost like pollen. It's all on the side of the house. Let me give y'all another view. You can see like the pollen been getting on the house, so I'm gonna use this brush to try to get it off. If you can see down there, that little clean spot right there in the middle. Let me touch it. If I can touch it right there. I use the brush and it actually works. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up right here. Get out of that bucket and show y'all how it looks. So what I'm using while I do it, I'm using some Dawn and then the brush. And of course some water. I'll put the water in here. Okay, y'all, so I'm showing y'all this is the after, and that's what I still need to do right there. So you can see that it was all that right here, and now it is coming together. So I guess I'll finish the rest tomorrow since it's getting dark, and I have to go ahead and cook dinner.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. In one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved it as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
ice block and lend an ear.